Information is all around us, and all types can be accessed practically at any time with the use of computers and the internet. But have you ever wondered what allowed for all that information to be retrieved as quickly and to be as organized? Today, I'm going to discuss two topics that will help explain the answer to this question: data models and databases. Briefly explained, a data model organizes data elements and standardizes how the data elements relate to one another. A database is an organized collection of data. As mentioned before, a data model organizes data elements and standardizes how the data elements relate to one another. These models represent reality and are most commonly used to help the people defining requirements for a computer system communicate with the people defining the design of the system. Business processes create data models and are used to show what data is needed. There are two types of data models that we are concerned with, the first being relational. The relational model is a database model that is based on first-order predicate logic and tries to describe a database as a collection of predicates over a finite set of predicate variables, describing constraints on the possible values and combinations of values. SQL is the standard language for relational databases, and most relational databases use the SQL data definition and query language to implement the engineering approximation to the model. The second type of data model is known as NoSQL, which is also referred to as not only SQL. The NoSQL represents a completely different framework of databases than relational models. NoSQL allows for high performance and agile processing of information at a large scale. The NoSQL database infrastructure has adapted to the demands of big data. NoSQL also has many positive aspects, including a simple design with horizontal scaling and finer control over availability. The second topic of today's discussion is database. As stated earlier, a database is an organized collection of data. The data is normally organized to model aspects of reality in a way that supports processes requiring information. A database is created to operate large quantities of information. This is done through inputting, storing, retrieving, and managing information. Databases are designed so that a set of software programs provides all of the users with access to all of the data. Two uses of databases include support of internal operations of organizations and then to reinforce online interactions with customers and suppliers. Fields, records, and files are used to organize traditional databases. A field is defined as a single piece of information. A record is one complete set of fields, and a file is the collection of records. To access information from the databases, a database management system is needed. DBMS is a collection of programs that enables someone to enter, organize, and select data in a database. DBMS is a set of software that provides the interface between users and databases. There are many types of DBMSs, including things from small systems that run on personal computers to the huge systems that run on mainframes. The term database often refers to the actual data as well as the DBMS because they are so closely related. Now that you have learned about data models and databases, let's have a quick review. Data models organize data elements and standardize how the data elements relate to one another. The two main ones that we focused on being relational and SQL. Databases, on the other hand, is the organized collection of data, and a DBMS is needed to access the information from the databases. I hope that today's presentation has provided you with a better understanding of data models and databases. Thank you for listening.